I like want to be funny, but I am not. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome back to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show! Woo! Today we're going to be doing
Metal
makeup
Monday.
We kind of stick to the colors on the shirt, and that makes it fun, and you can step out of your comfort zone a little bit and do something a little creative.
Try some wacky colors.
Cool. Yeah, so I'm living for this color combination. I'm living for this right now.
I'm living for it. We're matching. We go well with each other.
Yes. So I have Eighth Around, one of my favorite bands.
I wouldn't get a shirt.
And this is my boyfriend's shirt, Black Dahlia Murderer. I really just love the design
it's just
of the
beautiful.
shirt.
It's stunning.
That's what we're going to do. We're going to get ready. We're going to chat. We've got a little bit of life update. We're going to gab. We're going to spill the tea.
Yep.
And we're going to do our makeup. So this is the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Liquid Luminous Luna. It's one of those Instagram things.
Okay. I'm going to make a mess.
Oh, no. Yes. Yes, bitch.
Is it too much?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, bitch. It's too much.
I'm the Tin Man. He's... I won't say it, but you know what he did all over my face, right, y'all?
I didn't know that this was an advanced technique. What? You're just gonna look. You're gonna look crazy at first.
It's on my lips. Mm-hmm. So what I'm thinking is, I'm never doing that again.
We're flawless. We're beautiful. We're shining. We're gleaming.
We're regretting.
So anyway, life update, you guys. Let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Jenny and I were twin sisters, closer than Sam and Frodo.
That's good, Alice. I like that.
And you know, you would think that like we live right down the street from each other, but we don't. We live like an hour away. So we've never really been roommates other than like living at home with our parents. But we're gonna be going from living an hour away from each other to
like 3 minutes.
Literally a 3-minute
walk.
She's literally moving to the same street as me.
Same street.
I did not think it was gonna happen. I mean, I didn't think it was
we've
gonna
been
be possible, but
I've been searching.
You've been looking for a really long time. Like
at first I was like, oh, I can live, 15-20 minutes away. That's no big deal. But then it was just like, if you're gonna go, like, go hard.
Go big or go home.
Yeah.
And now you're home and 3 minutes away, so you can do both. Bitch. I'm just like, I can barely believe it. So Jenny's moving date is like a month away from right now, but you guys just signed the lease, right? So you're locked in, and there's no takesies backsies.
Yep.
I'm so excited.
We're
gonna 3 minutes away.
I can't wait to just take like a leisurely stroll over here instead of like an hour and a half like sitting in traffic. It's just
and like having to plan.
And then I can just go home whenever she's like really annoying me.
I just can't wait to like sneak over and like
spy on me.
Like sneak up on you guys and like watch you through your window.
Oh dear. We can walk my dog.
I can't even. I'm having a hard time evening right now. The Alice and Jenny Show is literally going to take over. It's going to be a way of life. Oh wow, that is light. Okay, so Jenny has the CoverGirl No Filter Concealer in Fair 2. Is it 2 or 0.2?
1.
It's 0.2.
Yeah. That's the lightest one.
I thought the lightest one was white.
Oh no, there's a white.
Okay, so this is right under that.
I'm gonna try the Makeup Revolution C1. I've never tried this one. I've tried that before.
I'm not mad at this
color as my foundation.
For right off the bat, I'm enjoying that. We're gonna have to see how it wears, but like it's lighter than my foundation, which I'm happy with, and a lot of concealers aren't light enough, so
I'm just gonna put a little, like, if I look like a cake face, then I look like a cat.
I think I'm just like getting to a point where it's like my under eyes are gonna be problematic with any concealer that I ever use. Like, at a certain point, like, you're fucked. At a certain point, like, you're done. Like, no concealer is gonna be good for you.
Yeah, hang up your brushes, you're done. Hang up your brushes, you're ugly, bitch. No more makeup for you.
I hope you like it here.
I think I'm going to.
And you guys are gonna be getting a lot more videos, so saddle up, strap in.
Hold on to your butts.
Okay, I need to shave my mustache next time I sit down to film. The last few times I sit down to film and I'm like, I already did my foundation and my powder and I bake and it's like, there's a mustache.
I need to do my unibrow. Like, my forehead looks, I notice the hair when I look really, really close.
You know,
like, I see.
Have you heard that people sometimes just shave like their whole face?
Yeah.
Like, shave all the little hairs off their face.
Yeah, it's something that I'm seriously considering. I don't like seeing the powder clinging to my hairs as if like snow clinging to a tree branch or something. So, other than my move,
any other life updates
stuff do we have going on?
Literally, the only interesting thing happening right now is the fact that I've been watching Better Call Saul.
That's hilarious.
I'm a loser.
Hey.
Oh shit!
It's actually ebony.
Is it real?
It's real. I got this from eBay.
It's not real.
Is it? Is it not? I like it. It's great.
Jenny!
What?
Yours is like really shiny and moist.
Yeah, it's like brand new.
The color is like spot on.
I think it's just maybe an older one. Who would take the time to try to duplicate this and not get it 100% right? Like,
oh, there are so many. Let's wipe it and see what happens to both of them. The knockoff wiped clean off.
To be honest, this works.
You guys, the knockoff is gone, and the real is still there. I mean, so it's fine. It's like, what do you want to pay for? What are you willing to pay for? What can you spend? I got this dip brow like 2 years ago. Still good. I refuse to throw it away. I don't care what the package says. 6 months. Don't tell me how to live my life. It's still good, and I have plenty. So, and if you're fine with your shitty knockoff, live your life, girl. Oh, I'm gonna get so dry with this, but I just don't want the fallout. I did a makeup video last night, and I didn't put powder down, and there was fallout on my mustache, bitch.
We're gonna go ahead and go to like a waxing place or something, or get some at-home waxing.
We should try some of that that waxing that's like supposed to be not painful, the painless wax. Bitch, I don't think so. I don't think it's painless. Have you seen that?
If my hair is getting ripped out, I think I'm like scream. I think it's gonna be painful.
We'll just drink some pink Moscato. Eyeshadow.
Just because of what you said, I'm putting some on my mustache.
I'm telling you, my mustache was black. My upper lip was black.
I definitely look like a fucking cat. Just in the...
Oh, yeah. Okay, so you have to use all the colors in... What did you do? What did you do?
It just popped right out and it landed on the side of the
tape. Roll the tape. Jeeves.
I think it barely made it. It almost fell onto my pants. Jeeves, no need to rewind.
Oh, what, did you bring your own butler to my house for your visit?
No, I'm using Jeeves, bitch.
Jeeves is my bitch.
Jeeves and I go way back.
Just because you blow him for $5 every now and then in the alley doesn't mean you go to the alley.
I don't go anywhere, dude. I don't leave the house. We did it right here.
We need to stop.
This is not. Jeeves is a really hot, really beautiful man. He's a good listener.
Stop.
I'm getting all crazy about the move again. I find myself just giddy.
Yeah.
It's at random points in the day when I'm just thinking about.
That's why I've been like. Do I need to show this to you again? Where's it? I don't think you really heard it.
I don't know if I got into it, but hey, I'm buzzed. Let's listen to it. pocket.
I mean, I'm sorry, but this is the best. This is the best thing I've ever heard. So, let's fucking finish our makeup, bitch.
All right. I'm gonna do some waterline.
Some waterline work.
First, I'm gonna have a drink of wine.
Yeah.
Okay, so even though we're twins, Alice has. I have a slightly more
talking
hooded.
shit?
No, I have a slightly more hooded eyelid, and that's why she can do a wing more easily, and I struggle, and also she struggles if she tries to help me with it. So for those of you with a hooded lid, some days you just pop on an extra big lash.
No, I don't want these.
Okay, you want me to get them for you?
You know what? A lash will fix any horrible eyeshadow.
I don't think mine's that horrible, but hey, whatever.
So anyway, we just took a short break, walked over to where Jenny's new place is gonna be.
It's just such a quick walk.
3 minutes away,
and it's so beautiful to look at, and it's just a nice stroll with a sisterly stroll.
It was a sisterly stroll.
Just putting my nose ring real quick.
Cute. I want one. You look like a seeing kid. Oh my god.
But like a pretty one, right?
Yeah, with curled hair.
Wow,
I
am ready to go to a fucking concert right now, bitch.
I went into this one. I got hasty.
God, that one was calling my name, and I was like, Jenny, don't do it.
Look, it blends out. It blends out.
Okay, you look great. You look fine.
So I'm gonna use Le Splash Runic. And Jenny.
NYX Liquid Suede.
What color?
Run the world.
Run the world.
For the record, I don't want to.
Just
Alice, let me use the pink one. I think it's gonna look
just
way
try
cute.
it. Just try it, please, because Jenny, please. That matches perfectly, and I'm obsessed.
All right.
Shut up, bitch.
I want to go home. And I mean an hour away home, not 3 minutes from here.
You already signed the lease. That concludes this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out with us and chatting and celebrating a little bit of the good news that we have and creating these fun, cute, colorful makeup looks. Are you like okay or what?
No. Yes,
Did you have fun?
I had so much fun.
I really like this makeup look on you. You don't do a lot of color, but like I really love it. I think the lips is super cute too. I really like it.
She also pierced my nose.
Did it with a rusty spoon.
Where are you putting that, girl?
I have to put a gloss on. It's so uncomfortable. I can't. So much better. Oh my god. We're leaving.
We're done.
We're done. We're dead to you.
We're done.
You're dead to me. We're dead to you. If you want us to come back, give this video a thumbs up and a comment.
Where's my purse?
I was never here. I was never here. Okay, please cut out the feed after I cover it up.